He's my buddy, he's my pal, man's best friend, and I'll tell you how. When I'm down or feeling blue, Bud is at my side to see me through. Oh, never had a friend like this. Unconditional sloppy kiss. Got no problems that can't be licked. How can anybody resist?
I think dogs make the world go round, first of all. Dogs are kind of my life at the moment. I would have 20 dogs if I could. My husband says 5 is enough, but I just love them all. They all have very different personalities, very distinct and different personalities, and I just can't imagine living without one.
It is amazing what they sense. They have an incredible sense of everything that's happening. And
they're just really special, loyal companions, smart, sense of humors.
Don't know what my buddy heard.
I had an incredible black lab. His name was Carson, and he was so handsome that it was like hanging around with Brad Pitt. So Carson and I would go fishing, and I lived in Connecticut, and we would head off on a long sandbar, and I taught Carson to grab my surf pole, big long 8-foot long surf pole, right in the middle, and he would balance this fishing pole in his mouth, and he would walk all the way out there. People imbue their dogs with sort of special powers, and I believe at my core that the dogs understand that part of their role is, protection of our children.
Comes with their instincts. They sense things, and because their sense of smell is so much greater than ours, they know things that we don't know. They hear things that we don't hear. There have been many, many times in the life of my dog, Timba, that he came to me and just offered me comfort, even if it was just, putting his head in my lap and just being there for me, just like I was there for him.
Well, Carson was 14, which is a good old age for a lab.
The last day, the last 3 days of his life were really very hard.
And it was time. It was just time.
It was definitely time.